Modals. Modals are auxiliary verbs used to express the mood, possibility, necessity, ability, permission, or obligation of the main verb in a sentence. They help convey the speaker's attitude or the likelihood of an action taking place. Here are some common modal verbs. 1. Can indicates ability, permission, or possibility. Example: she can speak Spanish too. Could, often used for past ability or polite requests. Example: could you pass me the salt? 3. May indicates possibility, permission, or a polite request. Example: you may leave the room. 4. Might suggests a lower possibility than may. Example: it might rain later. 5. Will expresses future actions, predictions, or willingness. Example: he will help you with the project. 6. Would, often used for polite request or hypothetical situations. Example: would you like some coffee? 7. Shall, typically used in questions to offer or suggest something. Example: shall we go for a walk? 8. Should indicates advice, recommendation, or obligation. Example: you should finish your homework. 9. Must expresses necessity or strong obligation. Example: you must wear a helmet for safety. Modals are versatile and can be combined with other verbs to convey a wide range of meanings and nuances in English sentences.